Going to give you a room tour of the Marriott Residence Inn here at Tremblant. This is a lofted room, and the first thing you do is when you enter, you're going to see a kitchen. This is definitely large enough to make a family of 4 or 5 a full meal. The supplies, got full dishes, microwave, dishwasher, so you could definitely do your breakfast here, though we did find out the breakfast is included. Rooms, 2 double beds in here, and they have their ensuite with a tub and shower there. Nice table here, so you can have your breakfast, your lunch, your dinner. Got our gas burning fireplace here, and a nice seating area. I'm gonna bet this is a sofa bed. Could fit them there. We love the deck. Looking, come on outside. So this is overlooking the Tremblant Square. You can see that's the gondola that takes you from the parking lot up to the base area. There's the walk that is really good food right there, and the chocolate shop where you get the best hot chocolate is right downstairs. Okay, then we're gonna go upstairs to the loft bedroom. So I love this lofted room, so much space up here. I don't know if I would give this room to the kids or keep it for myself, not sure, but you can see all of the action down below. And we've got another ensuite bathroom right here. The Marriott also has indoor parking. It's heated downstairs. There is an additional fee for that. It does have a gym and a restaurant attached to it. Couldn't beat the location, and this is your little room tour.